How to fix your Instagram refresh feed not working. For more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? And then I will do this tutorial on my Android phone, but you can always do so on your iOS device or your desktop as well. First off, go to your browser and then choose whichever speed test provider that you like, that you prefer. I prefer something like LibreSpeed because it's free, it's open source, it's not dependent on any other heavy library like Flash and Java, and so I choose it, and then I will choose start and check my internet speed, my pings, my jitters, and my download, and also my upload speed. And as you can see that my download and upload speed is not very bad. So the problem may not be the internet, but if you have a problem with your internet, perhaps your Wi-Fi connection is the one that is making all the trouble for you. So you should go to the settings and then turn off your Wi-Fi and just use your mobile connection on your Wi-Fi instead of your Wi-Fi. This is a common scenario for a wireless connection that is tied to a workplace, for instance, or a government site that somehow just blocks Instagram from the whole country, and that's the reason why. And the next step, if that doesn't fix it for you, then go to your Play Store or your App Store and then choose or select or type Instagram from there. Make sure that the Instagram application shows update, at least on Play Store, and if it has the update button displayed, then you should just click it, wait for the update to load. Other than that, the only logical way possible is to uninstall the application first and then go reinstall it again, so you start out from scratch basically. I hope that last fix will fix your Instagram refresh not working on your feed. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you want more topics covered, please comment to our channel. Okay, YouTube, cheers, take care and goodbye.